Hey Rush family, you know it's your boy Rush, the Discover Boss. So I just uploaded a new video on my new channel, which is Rush Reviews Jamaica. Just asking you guys to go on over. That video is about the new leg of Highway 2000, which is gonna run from right there in Maypen going into Manchester. We have like just 300 subscribers on the new channel, guys. How can that be? When over here we have 17,000 subscribers. So go on over to the new channel. We need to be way past 5,000 subscribers. Watch the video, subscribe if you have not done so as yet, like, comment, share so that other persons can know we have a new channel. So new channel, new video up. Go check it out, go subscribe. We need to build up that channel. How is everybody doing? Let me know you're doing in the comments. And happy Sunday. Hope you have an awesome day today. Get some time to rest or spend with family. Eat some great food. What are you cooking for Sunday dinner? I want to know that as well. Alright guys, see you on another video.